Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, and this one is for my French friends here. I believe she's called Angèle, and the song is called Bruxelles Je t'aime. Something like that. So, this one will be a shorty, very easy here. Only 4 chords, and you will play in the same order through the whole entire song. So, let's start with those chords, and no capo is used for this one. So the first chord will be D minor. Okay, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Next chord will be G. So third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Third chord will be C. So third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be F. So you bar all strings here on the first fret, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. So these 4 chords in that order: D minor, G, C, and F. Now we will look at the one strumming pattern that is used for this song here. So we will use the D minor to illustrate this strumming pattern, and the pattern will be down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. All right. So you're gonna play this strumming pattern 2 times for each chord. So 2 on D minor, 2 on G, 2 on C, and 2 on F. So it goes like this. That is one chord progression, and that is how it goes through the entire song. In some places here, they stop and they don't have any playing or any sound, they just sing here, but you will have to figure that out on your own. It's just to follow the song, otherwise you play in this way here. This is strumming and these chords. So let's go for a couple of rounds in a standard tempo. So let's go. So that was the song, and just to notice here, when I'm strumming, I play more on the bass strings on the first 2 downs, so bass on the 2 downs like this, and I answer on the top strings on the down, down, up. So bass, bass, top, top, and so on. So yeah, good luck with this song, Bruxelles Je t'aime, and I hope you like this one. If you do, please thumb up. Be a subscriber if you aren't yet, and see you soon, guys. Don't forget, play tuned.